ClariPulmo is a fully automated 3D reporting solution for lung diseases that uses artificial intelligence. Prevalence of lung diseases such as emphysema, pneumonia, and lung cancer is rapidly growing due to the increase in aged populations, exposure to air pollutants, as well as infections such as COVID-19. ClariPulmo was developed to help physicians accurately detect and quantify lung lesions by applying artificial intelligence technology to low-dose CT data, making it a highly valuable tool for early diagnosis and management of lung diseases. The image displayed on the screen is the result of analyzing emphysema from the high-dose and low-dose chest CT scans, and the image with the CT noise removed shows the same effect as the high-dose analysis even at low doses. This is a report on an emphysema analysis of images with high-dose, low-dose, and denoised chest CT scans. The CT noise reduction image result shows a similar pattern to the high-dose image result. Let's look at a few more examples. The denoised CT image is analyzed and displayed as a report. Thus, ClariPulmo is the AI-powered technology that generates highly reliable lung disease reports from low-dose CT scans. It is a very suitable product for the growing trends of low-dose CT usage worldwide. ClariPulmo has obtained CE certification in Europe and approval from the Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. It also won first place at the Low-Dose Emphysema Challenge hosted by the Korean Society for Medical Imaging Information in 2021. Visit the ClariPi homepage for more information. Thank you.